Let's take a look at how we can get Salesforce data into Claude by using an MCP server. GPTfy now has an MCP server, and what I have on the right-hand side is my Salesforce. As you can see this here, I have some information related to the account, related to the contacts with it, some assets, some cases, some opportunity, a lot of stuff. And I have GPTfy installed here, as you can see. So a lot of information that I can look at. I can pop this open, do stuff with it. But what's interesting is now that we have an MCP server, we can take this information and consume it from inside Claude. So this is my Claude, open settings. And what you can see here in my settings is I have connectors. So what you can see here are all of these are the agentic prompts that are exposed, and they can now be consumed by Claude or ChatGPT or any other client that supports MCPs. So let's ask it about the Apple account in Salesforce. And now what will happen is, because Claude is aware of the MCP server, it's now figuring out how to get information. So it's looked at the tools. It figured out that we have a way to connect to Salesforce. Now it's going to automatically start pulling everything. It's pulling the contacts, the opportunities, the cases, and it knows that we have a 360 prompt in GPTfy here. And what you're starting to see here is that it's pulling all the contact information here, which you can see is here on this side, right? I have all of these same contacts and it's pulling them seamless. Same thing with opportunities. So if I go back to this account, so you can see it's pulling that opportunity here. It's pulling the cases. Now what I can do is I can ask it to create an account 360 planning document. And this will allow us to do account planning with the rest of the account team or for my pipeline review. The beauty of this approach is that you can pull data not only from Salesforce, but from any of the other tools that are connected to your Claude. It looks like Claude has created the account 360 document, and I can open it here, and it's a Word document. I can download it. I can do a pipeline review call, a QBR, and use it. The beauty of this approach is that Claude or ChatGPT or any other MCP-enabled client can become your consumption layer, and you can connect it to all kinds of sources, including your Salesforce data. So you can bring all of this information, and then you can start acting on it as you like. GPTfy's MCP server also supports the A2A protocol. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.